Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to chromebookparts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew the 5 captive screws in the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick on the hinge side of the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip the device over and open it up. And gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. There may be adhesive underneath, so take your time and try to avoid using too much force. There are 5 pieces of adhesive tape that secure the LCD panel to the back cover. Using the tweezers, grab hold of the ends of the adhesive tape and slowly roll them. Carefully pull back to remove the adhesive tape from underneath the panel. Repeat this process for all 5 spots. Lift the panel up and lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Plug the LCD cable into the new panel and reapply the tape. Apply 2 strips of double-sided adhesive tape to the back cover as shown. Lay the LCD panel back into place and apply a small amount of pressure to secure the LCD panel to the tape. Reseat the LCD cable back into its grooves if necessary, and replace the bezel. Push down to snap it back into place. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover, and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 5 captive screws in the bottom cover.